Hi, Cindy here with Sew with Cindy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a unique unitard. In this version, I took a bandeau and briefs. I cut out strips so that I could cover elastic. I wanted it to look more like that, so I sewed the strips, putting elastic in the middle. Then I turned those strips right side out. I created a pattern to keep all of the ones I was doing consistent sizing, and then I used this to pin it all into place. Once I had it pinned, I top stitched it. Originally, I was looking at sewing those strips on the top, but it didn't work out. I ended up taking it out. But if you'd like to do that, you just want to mark it, sew those strips down to it exactly the way you want it, and then top stitch them. I ended up taking this out because I didn't like that and started with a fresh unitard that did not have in it so I could sew the strips to the bottom. To create the keyhole, I made a slice down the center. It's gonna widen open, so don't cut it really wide or you'll have a giant circle. Then I top stitched the whole thing, and once it was put on, it stretches, creating a big keyhole just like this. If you want to see more videos on how to create your own custom dancewear, follow us on all social media at Sew with Cindy.